So good morning to everybody. Been thinking quite recently, especially in the last couple of weeks here, about some things that I've seen on Facebook and other social media that I think need to be addressed. There was several things. There was an article in the paper in Toronto where someone said, let the unvaccinated die. This is a totally preventable disease because of the vaccine. And thought that was pretty cold and pretty heartless. And then another person said that she had another friend, die of complications from COVID. Who knows if it was really from COVID, but at least complications from COVID. COVID is a very, very real thing. It is, it's devastating. It really is, and can be very devastating. And in a lot of cases it is. But this person said that she'll still love her unvaccinated friends and she'll still go to their funerals. Again, a person that is touted to be very compassionate, a person that's loving and always spreading the love, but she's saying that anybody that's unvaccinated is going to die. That's simply not the truth. And it's a dangerous thing to say, in my opinion. And, in my opinion, quite heartless. The chances of survival, people that recover from COVID, greatly outweigh the number of people that have died from COVID. One of the websites, I believe it was Johns Hopkins website, says that it's somewhere in the vicinity of 97% to 99.75% completely recover from COVID. So friends, continue to be compassionate. There's plenty of preventable diseases out there that people don't think twice about shaming somebody about. Diseases such as lung cancer, especially if somebody's smoking. Should we keep health care from those people that smoked and got lung cancer? How about the people who eat and eat and eat, are obese, have high A1Cs, have high glucose, developed type 2 diabetes, which, my friends, is another preventable disease for the most part. Should we shame those people? Should we continue to go to their funerals? Should we continue to love them? Absolutely. And so when someone says something like that, it gets under my skin, because I know somebody who is recovering from COVID right now, from COVID pneumonia. And if we will teach people what to do when they start having symptoms, when they test positive, when they start having problems breathing, when they start coughing, developing fevers and things like that, if we'll teach them what to do, then a whole lot more people will go ahead and recover from COVID. Although already a bunch of people are recovering from COVID. So if we can teach them what to do, instead of saying, oh, just stay home and hydrate and rest. People are afraid to go to the hospitals because people are saying, oh, you go in the hospital and that's where you go to die. And that could be true. But the problem is if you wait too long to get to the hospital, if you wait too long to get to the emergency room and get proper care, you're a whole lot less likely to recover from COVID. So that's just some musings this morning, early on a Wednesday morning about 8:20, that I wanted to make sure that I brought to everybody's attention. We will continue at Fiorini Chiropractic Center to teach people how to stay healthy. It's a whole lot easier to stay healthy than it is to get healthy. Have a great day, folks.